Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'll show you how to root Bluestacks 5 with Android 11 and it's the latest version. Here you can see this is the date and time. It's 17 August 2024. So now let's get started. I will show you this is the latest version of Windows 11 and it is the latest version of Bluestacks 5. Here you can see this is the 5.21.5.0. It's the Android 11 and it is already a latest version. So I will check you it's rooted or not. Here you can see this is a root checker application. I already downloaded it from Play Store. Now I click on verify root. Here you can see this is not rooted device. So let's get started and root Bluestacks 5. So you want to need properties, locations. Here you can see this is the file location. You want to edit it. Now I will copy. You are find the program code description below. Go to the this PC and here is this PC location. Now you can paste here and click the enter button of keyboard. Here you can see this is Bluestacks, the program data file. Now click bluestacks.config and select the notepad just once. Here you can see this is the some Bluestacks locations and blue text here. Now go to the edit menu and click the find button and type here root and click enter. Here you can see this is the best feature routing. The value is 0. So you want to change it with 1. If you have some knowledge of coding, you know the 1 and 0 is a binary number, and that's the 1 meaning is yes, that's mean okay, that's mean start, or 0 mean is it's no, or it is stop here. So click the drop down next button here. Here you can see this is the another root access value is 0, that's mean it is off. Now edit it with 1, that's mean it is on. Now click next. Here you can see this the 2 button is already here and I will edit it all of the 2 number here. Now it's close and click the file button and click the save. Here you can see this is saved. Now I close this file and now I will open Bluestacks 5 application with run as administrator. Please wait for open Bluestacks 5 and I will show you it is rooted or not. My Bluestacks application is started. Now I will check the root access with the root checker basic application. Now I click verify root. Here you can see this is the root access is already here. That's mean my Bluestacks 5 is rooted. So thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay good, and please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.